Very good morning, traders and friends. I'm welcoming back to my channel, Smart Index Edge. Morning, I made video about Jodi candle, and I want to show you with the example today's trade how Jodi candle help for precision trade. This Nalini Precision Engine makes your trade very profitable and simple, and you can identify the Jodi candle with Gann Hilo structure shift. This is structure shift entry model. First hesitation, decision, early confirmation reversal signal. That I showed you on 2-minute time frame. That is a professional trading system. You can see the PPT presentation over here. Why Jodi and Gann Hilo is powerful. Normal Jodi candle shows hesitation. Possible reversal only. Signal is weak. No confirmation of control. Jodi plus Gann Hilo shift. Control shift confirmed. Plus structure plus momentum both change. Signal is strong. Decision, you can make strong decision. Probability improves significantly. That's why you may see normal Jodi candle, but Jodi candle with Gann Hilo shift as well as the pivot shift, it increases your confirmation. Control shift will be confirmed thoroughly. Market logic, think like institution. You need to think like institution before a reversal happens. Institutions follow a predictable sequence. Price lows, expansion either to the upside or to the downside ends, and volume dries up. Market pauses before decision. At that time, you can see sometimes doji candle starts forming or reversal candle immediately you can form. You can see Jodi candle forms. Two opposing candles appear. Hesitation is visible on the chart. So you should not see the Jodi candles like a green and red mismatched candles. They should be similar in the range. For example, when a market starts coming down, a big Jodi candle will, big bear candle will come. Next, a small green candle will come. That is not Jodi candle. The people make mistake in this. Jodi candles should be equal, almost near to equal sizes. Then, and structure should be there. Third thing, price should cross the Gann Hilo or price has to cross the pivot. Sometimes before crossing the Gann Hilo itself, pivot will give early entry with it, my Nalini Precision Engine pivots. They are color coded. They turn from red to neutral, that is black. There, Jodi candle confirms the entry, early entry. There you can scalp it. Scalp till it goes to the Gann Hilo. If it is far off, you get a room to go there. Like that, trend begins. New direction is confirmed. Institutional momentum kicks. So result, early confirmation reversal signal, not just a possibility. Here, You see over here, I've taken the example of the 24,300 put option. Market gapped up. It started moving up to 24,390. It could not cross it because there was a reason. There was a weekly cusp over there, weekly and daily high cusp over there. That's why market could not cross that level and it started falling below the previous week high. So the breakout could not sustain, and at that time this poor put option, which was around 256 or 200, rolled down to 151 rupees. There you can see over here two Jodi candles appearing there. You can see doji forming and Jodi candle forming. Notice morning layers. These are the morning layers from my Nalini Precision Engine. This was the pivot. This was the S1 and S2. The market halted near the S1 and started reversing. And after the Jodi candle formed, follow through candle, you can see, and price, it had all this happened below the previous day low. So it has lost its control. This put option came below the previous day low, and probably people might have sold it. Early writers, some people, they write this option, but it is a trap. What happened through the day, you can see on your own. Here, what happened there? First, Jodi candle forms on the chart. Price crosses Gann Hilo line. Shift happens near structural level. Setup forms after an expansion move. Avoid. You need to avoid this when there is no structure shift. You should not Jodi candle. You should not enter into this setup at all. Jodi will be formed anywhere, everywhere. But at the near the structure shift, Gann Hilo level, and also my Nalini Precision Engine pivots, then it gives you very good setup. When all entry conditions align, probability becomes high. Here, you can see the same put option. I'm showing you on the 5 minutes time frame. See the early entry at my Nalini Precision Engine layers, the Jodi candle forming. You could have got, I showed you the previous slide in that 2 minute time frame, and then Jodi continuation with the structure. The price climbed above the structure, price climbed above the morning layer pivot, and price started crossing above the R1. This is R1. This is R2, which is aligned with the previous day low. This is previous day low over here, and price started moving here. Can you imagine this stock from, it went up to 312, from 150 to 312, almost 150 points. Yesterday on expiry day, nothing happened. There was no trade. Today, the trade was so wide and so you would have enjoyed this trade with my Nalini Precision Engine. That's how it is. If you get, there is some saying that भगवान देता है तो चप्पड़ पाड़ के देता है. That is like that. चप्पड़ पाड़ के देता है तो उसको लेने के लिए you should have Nalini Precision Engine. Nalini Precision Engine will give you proper direction, proper entry, and confirmation for that. So, reading the 2-minute chart and bullish and bearish setup, red candle, green candle closes above the Gann low. That is the very bullish setup. Or before that, it has to close above my Nalini Precision Engine pivot. At that time, Nalini Precision Engine becomes red to neutral. That is the sign of that. Same in the opposite setup, green to red closes below Gann low. So signal is here, buyers taking control, and signal is sellers taking control. I'm taking the chart again to this put option, 24,000 put option. This is the bullish setup, and this is bearish setup on the call option. You can see Jodi bearish at 206. This call option started losing this. Anybody who is a writer, call writer, with confidence, you could have written this call option. You can see it came down to 103. It came down to from 206 to it came down to 103. Not only 206, it went up to 238 and it came down to 103. That's how it is. This is the setup actually. Why 2-minute time frame works better? Best is Gann high-low reacts quickly, and even my pivots reacts very quickly to microstructural changes. 15 minutes becomes little bit late single, because when you are seeing the 15-minute candle, sometimes you see it comes down and it goes up. Like within the 15-minute candle, you will be seeing the wick formation and that. So 30% actually 15 minutes. Trend is already established. Entry becomes too late on the 15 minutes. So your stop loss will be wide. Sometimes after picking up a 15-minute candle, next 15-minute candle starts putting its leg down. At that time, you will panic. This will not happen when you get a setup at 2-minute time frame. 5-minute is medium signal, decent timing, but even microstructure is missed. So this we can give 60%. 2-minute entry signal catches microstructure, change earliest, best entry, 95%. There in the put option, you got an entry around 152 and the stop loss was only 151 because of this Jodi candle formation there. And with the structure pivot entering into there, you were able to catch that in combination with all the things. My layers, morning layers S1, and simultaneously the market Nifty breaking down below all the layers, morning layers. That was a clear signal of weakness which culminated in this trade. Highest probability setup, you should see all the 4 characters. You should get Jodi candle, hesitation. First, there will be hesitation. Next, you should see Gann low shift, as well as that one pivot color neutral to black change. Next is you have to have rolling pivot level and also weekly cusp alignment. They are also very, very important. In my next example, I'm going to show how Nifty came down to that level, almost 24,100 something. It fell below that. Everybody might have sold the Nifty happily, but I cautioned one of my buyer he had shorted the call option. I told him the Nifty is approaching the very, very historical, very important level. So cover your shorts. I don't know what he did, but I advised him to cover his shorts. Nalini's structure setup shift is an entry model, Jodi candle hesitation, Gann Hilo shift, structure confirmation. Jodi candle alone shows hesitation, but Jodi candle crossing Gann Hilo and pivots shows you decision. It is a professional trading educational system. So if you want to access my indicator, Nalini Precision Engine, it is a paid indicator. You can WhatsApp me with my number 9845209600. Many traders have bought my indicator, enjoying the profits, enjoying the structure, and it is a learning journey along with this indicator, Nalini Precision Indicator. It has been so structured so well. I can challenge no one has, in the entire universe of TradingView, no one has made this type of indicator, which is entirely deriving from the price action. It is totally directly related to the price action. No MACD, no RSI, nothing. You need not go to Renko charts or anything. This is the perfect engine, will make you profitable. So finally, I'm going to show you how weekly levels made the Nifty to short cover and the end. See, market sold off, it crossed the previous day low, not this is high. I made it as a wrong thing. Label is wrong. It breached the previous day low and it is in between the previous weekly high. Definitely, the money river was flowing above this. Both the put writers as well as the call writers. This river is very, 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 very energetic. Lot of money river. The smart money pushed the market through these areas, creating panic, and they got their liquidity. मकसद पूरा हो गया उनका. So whatever they wanted to achieve, they got that. And see the short cover rally from this level. They got energy booster. They started going up. It has been a short cover rally. And I remember the setup on Wednesday market, Thursday market came down, and last Friday, it was a gap up. So friends, you can anticipate gap up BTST trade if you would have taken at this level, because this is the liquidity sweep. The big money, once it has taken the liquidity sweep, it has to seek for another liquidity. Then only they will become profitable, and most probably lot of liquidity pool, money river must be flowing over here. Beneath the pivot, beneath the previous day high, these are the liquidity. These are the call writers' money, it can sweep, and also it has taken put and call writers both the money, and it will definitely, they will gap up. So you will wonder why this type of price action, why it is happening, because the big money, smart money has got problem of liquidity. For us, no problem. We can press the button, buy will be executed, sell will be executed. For them, with a lot of huge quantity of money, they are need of same amount of buyers. For that, they create a stage to grab the liquidity, and this is how they function, friends. This is the function of smart money. A smart money ka chal hai. Same thing. I am talking about the 24,300 call option. It came down to same call option which had been sold. It has been short covered. Short cover, it became very cheap. It came down to 103.5, finally rallied to. Before closing, I took the picture snapshot. And now I don't know the final closing. Now you can see how they have short covered, how they have the money river, stop loss hunting, and see the swiftness. And it is still below the previous day low. That is around 170 to 180 rupees. Okay, friends, this is it. So you can save this PPT, you can take screenshot of the PPT, and you can, if you want my indicator, you can message me on my WhatsApp number 984520960. I leave my WhatsApp number in the comment section. You can go there and you can message me. Thank you very much, friends. Nalinakshi Swami signing off.